subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus launched its new tablet in India called OnePlus Pad Go. Now let's see the specifications of this tablet. The OnePlus Pad Go features a tall 11.35-inch 2.4K resolution display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and up to 400 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the tablet comes powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the tablet packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the OnePlus Pad Go sports a single 8-megapixel camera on the rear, with electronic image stabilization support for anti-shake video recording, and there is another 8-megapixel selfie shooter under the top bezel. The device comes equipped by a massive 8000 mAh battery, with 33W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on Oxygen OS 13.2 skin on top. Additionally, the tablet also includes Omni-bearing sound field and Dolby Atmos quad speakers for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the tab includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this tablet measures at 255.1 by 188 by 6.9 mm, and it weighs around 532 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this tablet. The OnePlus Pad Go has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees for Wi-Fi only version, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model with 4G connectivity is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 23,999 Indian rupees. The pre-orders for this tablet will begin in the country starting from October 12th, in single twin mint color option. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Pad Go tablet? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.